Sometimes you need imagination to see the big picture. Introducing the new portable clamping workstation from Getter Tools. A sturdy work surface, easy to work on anywhere, quick and easy to set up and adjust. A built-in clamping system. Portable clamping workstation from Getter Tools. Use it. Enjoy it.
Strong, versatile workbenches from Gladiator brand give you a sturdy foundation for building, crafting, gardening, and more. Perfect for the do-it-yourselfer, these benches feature tested and proven durable steel frames. Our affordable fixed-height workbenches hold up to 300 pounds, and Gladiator brand adjustable workbenches easily convert from desk to bar height, meeting ADA height requirements while supporting a load of up to 3,000 pounds. On top of these tough workbenches, great-looking solid surfaces are made from all-natural, renewable resources. Choose our tried and true hardwood or trendy yet sturdy bamboo for the style you want. Lengths range from 4 to 8 feet. So whether your space is small or large, you'll find a Gladiator brand workbench to fit your needs. Better yet, every bench offers docking space underneath, so you can slide Gladiator brand modular gearboxes right in to keep tools and materials within arm's reach while you take on your latest project. Plus, leveling legs ensure your surface stays flat. With a hassle-free, limited lifetime warranty, a high weight capacity to handle virtually any project, and adjustable heights, Gladiator brand workbenches are designed for you and your ever-changing needs.
Introducing the SmartFold Portable Workbench from Costco. This versatile utility table enables you to take your workbench anywhere the work is. Simply unlock it and you're ready to begin working immediately. Made of industrial strength steel with a 350-pound capacity on the top shelf and a 250-pound capacity on the lower shelf, it can handle projects of any size. Perfect for a multitude of uses, the large surface gives you plenty of room to work, while the lower shelf keeps everything you need close at hand. Lock the front casters to keep your utility table in place while you work. When your work is done, simply fold the utility table, secure the lock, and it's ready to be stored away. Costco. Smart by design.
The Olympia Tools Wood Workbench is a sturdy workstation made of rubber wood with a clear lacquer finish. It's ready for any home or professional workshop and features a convenient storage shelf and work trough for holding project parts or tools. Assembly starts with connecting the legs and the center brace. Once both legs have been fastened, slide the shelf so the far edges fit onto the groove on the cross brace. Then insert the connection nuts into the holes at the end of the cross braces. From there, you'll install the sliding drawer and attach the legs and accessories. The tool bench size provides ample space for projects big and small, but is compact enough for home or garage use. The surface is nearly 50 inches long, 24 inches wide, and a little over 33 inches high. This bench means business and includes a large woodblock vise which features adjustable machined guides and is perfect for any garage or home workshop.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.